I want to express my gratitude with Mr. Ambrish. I thought it was impossible to get the driver's license because I do not speak Italian. My level is less than A1. And I came to Italy 9 months ago. I am from Colombia and my mother language is Spanish. And I went from making 28 mistakes to approving my test today with 0 errors. And I didn't have a lot of time to attend online courses, so I did his videos. And by doing his videos, following exactly all his advice, making notes, and doing all the tests that he suggested to do every day, it seemed impossible, but in 2 months, I was able to approve it with no errors. Thank you so much, Mr. Ambrish, for your work. I feel extremely grateful. I would have never been able to do this without your help. I want to express my gratitude with Mr. Ambrish. I thought it was impossible